alaikum, salam alaikum. Bita barobe yani Brooklyn. Ngaso kerve, okay? Ngaso 15th Street la, Brooklyn. Shelter me Louis shelter, okay? Naya ngaso karepon nandela, okay? Natasaki fere la, natasaki fere la, natasaki fere la. Nisaki mulu, natasaki fere, okay? Imo kombe saki fagasa angurla. Imo kombe saki fagasa angurla ibasa. Uchi baka bali. Iba fagasa daytime and the daytime brief and the week. Okay? $30, $25, baby. Uchi baki mulu. 80, 60, 70. Louis Vuitton, $100, 70, 80, 200, ça dépend. Même jusqu'à 400. Ok? Michael Kors, bag, handbag, 200, 180, $30. Okay? And the niye nyereka saki bulu itu ngadumunu kako ngongo imemba dum alina ko donc saki ferta ni okay donc baby fat Michael Kors Louis Vuitton okay Louis Vuitton bag and a Gucci bag okay and a regular bag like this with a non-brand name. All right, the price start from the regular bag price start from the 25 to 60. The Louis Vuitton and the Michael Kors and the Gucci bag and the baby fat. The price start from the 70 to 400 to 500. It's different, right? I sell the wholesale and I also do the detail price. Me anguro can be detail pretty because I used to own the hair salon and I used to do that in Peoria, Illinois. Knoxville, 2433 Knoxville. I am Rokia to Teta. People call me Rokia. Okay? Rokia's African Hair Braiding. Je ne sais pas Sidibé, je ne sais pas Sangari. Rokia's, that means mine African Hair Braiding. My name is not Maimuna. My name is Rokia too. And my last name is Keita. Nega Salon, Rokia African Hair Braiding. Apostrophe S Korobu. Ne. Nega Salon. Mokotate. Ntari Kongo. Ma étage insane. Nkunyata Luanzere la Illinois. Nye 12 Afrique. Okay? Both la de never continent America du Nord. This is the continent of North America. Then they say I live in North Carolina. I don't live in North Carolina. I never live in North Carolina in my life. This is the continent of North America. The 54th state. Is a 50 state including the Virgin Islands, Canada and Panama. Okay? That's outside of the UN Puerto Rico. Okay? So the 54th state. That's in North America. So the South America is Brazil and Cuba and this area. But this is North America. The whole entire US called the continent of North America. I don't live in North Carolina. I never live in North Carolina. Carolina is a state. There is a South Carolina, there is a North Carolina. They only include in the 54th state of the US. Okay? North Carolina and South Carolina, baby, America, North America, North, okay? Mais nem Amérique du Nord reconnaît, nem Adélica loger North Carolina, nem Adélica loger Carolina du Sud, la Adélica loger. Je n'ai jamais logé dans Caroline du Sud, je n'ai jamais logé dans Caroline du Nord. Amérique ici là, États-Unis d'Amérique, 54 États, c'est Amérique du Nord. Ok? Là où il y a Brésil et Cuba, là c'est Amérique du Sud. Je n'habitais pas à North Carolina, je ne suis pas jumelle. I'm not a twin. Ok? Voilà. Il y en a Amérique du Nord. Chaque fois, nous sommes Amérique du Nord, nous sommes North Carolina. L'Amérique du Nord, New York, Brooklyn, New York, Bronx, Queens, all États-Unis, même New Jersey, inclus 54 États, toute Amérique du Nord ici, jusqu'au Canada, jusqu'au Porto Rico, jusqu'au encore certains côtés de Mexique, jusqu'au, ok, jusqu'à certains côtés de Virgin Islands, c'est à côté des Caribbean Islands là-bas, vers les Jamaïcains là-bas, mais c'est pas tellement. Je ne suis pas jamaïcain, je suis africaine. Je n'étais jamaïcain ni africaine. I'm not Haitian, I'm African. I was born in Bamako, Mali. Gabriel Hospital in 1981. But before I come in here, they decreased my age in 1985. August 8, 1985. Since my childhood, my mother did. I always say that. My real age is 1981. So when they ask me when I say 1980, 85, it's not the same. Even my mother who changed my age, they will do the same. It's not the same. Rukia dies the year she was born in 1981. So to try like I'm cuckoo, like I'm stupid, she's the one who decreased my age. C'est ma mère qui a diminué mon âge et puis elle fait semblant. Et Rukia mou sur l'année fait sur la 81, on est qui limite qu'elle est sur la 85. Elle est de donner chez la salle de yo sambo diminué. Ok, à ce moment dem sene comme là. Ok? Voilà. Mais sur la 81, 81 bichane au sans bilan ni fly. Mais 85 de benga document. Donc avec na force sans ça va s'en aller de boire. OK? Sans ça va nous on acheter de boire en chila. Sans ça va nous acheter de boire solution. Parce que 81 ça nani on acheter de boire là. Donc sans bilan ni fly de ne wolo chi yere. OK? Mais ça bi ça va nous pour nous donner une papier pour 85 1985 sans biche ni sans brûler on sur le 1985. Aujourd'hui c'est le 5 août 2025. 2025. OK? Bien le 5 août 2025. Today is August 5th, 2025. I have a court. I am not a judge. I am not a lawyer. Je ne suis pas avocat, je ne suis pas un juge. J'ai le tribunal, j'ai le cas de tribunal avec de quelqu'un. Ça doit finir. Si ça n'est pas fini, je ne pourrai pas travailler. Chaque fois-ci, je dis ça, elle dit qu'elle est devenue. That's my jacket.
Oh, it's your jacket?
Yeah. Chaque fois-ci, je dis ça là que. Chaque fois-ci, je dis ça là que ce n'est pas. Elles vont dire que non, que je suis devenue juge. Je ne suis pas devenue juge. Ok? Ningo comme jugement nani mokodoyi Amérique connaît. Kabiri akalo sabayni mbe jugement na kanga bara jope yere ya ko kera mois de juin semaine plana ko na la logo na ko ko ne ko bila. Ok? Kama na foko worki am me oni nekele ako ka kera jugement ko mo ngera juge. Mo jugement be mbulu. Ok? Tanga ninga jugement banti ka baraki. Sabula kanga bonga ire ko. Ok? Le 17 I supposed to have I went to the court in the June 17. Then they put in the August this month again. Okay? Ça doit terminer. Okay? 7 mois, inshallah. Then it will finish it this month and I will restart working. That's why I'm living in the shelter. Because I cannot work. I have a court. I have a judgment in a court with somebody. Okay? It must be over. Then I can restart working. I stopped working in the June completely. They stopped me from working. So I live in the shop. Alright? Otherwise I won't live in the shop. Okay? When I work and save, I go get my apartment. I'm a very brave woman. I don't want to be dependent on people. Okay? I'm always independent women. But to play with me, so they block me from the job, and I cannot afford the apartment. In Africa, I have the house because I live in the US for 25 years. I'm only 42. I was born in 1981, but I have 85 a year. I sent the money over there because I was about to move in back home, okay, in my home. But my mother betrayed me. My mother betrayed me and put her name in the house. My mother is a Salimata Keita who was born in 1962. Okay? I am Urokia to Keita. That's why when I sent the money, my mother buy the home with her name. Then people will say, hey, she changed her name. I did not change my name. Rukiatu is my name, and people call me Rukia. Salimata is my mother. I keep saying that my mother's name is Salimata Keita. J'ai toujours dit que ma mère qui a pris mon grossesse, elle s'appelle Salimata Keita. Elle est née en 1962. Aïe, attends, des Salimata Moussakaraba, des Toka Patika, Moussakaraba, des Toka Duba, ne Bora Kodi, ne Ward Lagata, ne Bois de Boussa, ne Sigilem Américain Yassan, ne Bois de Africa, Tarabusa, Toka de Bata, information de Bata. O jagoya a agi de bata ko ne sanji bi woro ne te sanji bi woro ne te sanji bi woro okay o ne ba de shi o de bo ko ne to bo de ne tara ko mta bare ba ko ne be retraite la he ne te retraite la ne ni bakele ko reke de bi ano yo Omar Bagayo aso 79 bu ka yala ko ne de yi ndente o ne bakele ko reke di ne te retraite la sabula ne bakelen ko ne bakona ya folo o de ka ko ne cheri Omar Bagayo ne te kadi ay mana kan ko da I'm here with my brother, my step brother. We are same mother, different father. They be saying that that's my son. And the women buy the house where she's over 60. That's my mother. My mother, I buy the home from my own mother with my own mother information. My mother did not build it on me. It was an empty land when I buy it. Then I send the money, the constructor how to build it. J'envoie l'argent, les maçons à construire. Ok? Le villa c'est pour ma mère, l'étage là c'est pour moi, mais ma part n'est pas finie. Ne aflabe nyoko kere fe villa ne étage abe sabali bugu bam. Ok, ne batoko di baka. Ok? Ne batoko di baka. Donc ne ba agir de fe ne baka. Ne ba ekita e wane ere ekita e. Ok? Trokoro buka ba do me ka mufo. Ngolo ko workia, ok? Voilà. Ngolo shi sampina ni fly. Sa ngolo be ni kan maina. Afara ko ni so la 80 mais 85 de baka papier kan be kuma de ko ekia. Ngala ni bigira so. Kabira nana ni sa mo ngure kuma kele me ka ko dungu na mesi kuma kele ka dungu ro ubi ni ka kuma kele. Dungu ro bene ni ka moneti ta barla ko be shiji mama ban ko atati masa. O dugu je ni ubere. O kuma e ma fo ke eti ta barla moneti ta barla. Shiji mama mbulo atati masa ni ba e ba ke. Na yi wala tabarake ngombe shiji mana tese ka tabarake fukar de o e galu ni ta fukar de do membe Afrique ne reta ne ni bagale ko rega be abuta bu kabine na ne be bara de benye mina since when I'm US bara de the business dele workia African he be di salon ne de ka business ko pioria ele no ntu me sa ko fere me kinu fere ko no me flan fere ko okay ama workia to keta ko ye workia tara wole tay ngita te ko ye workia sanu ko tay ngita te ko ye workia sangare tay tata ne de kunta do. Elles ont dit ça que c'est pour worker à Sanogo, que c'est pour worker à Sangare, que c'est pour worker à Traoré, que c'est pour worker à Konya, vous avez menti. Car j'ai payé impôt ici en Amérique avec mon nom. C'est Rukia Tuketa. Mais comme on m'appelle Rukia, j'ai dit à mes parents depuis en Afrique de m'appeler Rukia, ils ont refusé. Qu'elles n'ont jamais m'appelé Rukia, qu'elles vont, à part c'est mon père Zerma qui m'appelle Rukia. Qu'elles vont m'appeler Rukia, ok? Donc quand j'ai vu mon business là, Rukia, c'est africain, c'est Rukia, Sangare, c'est pour Rukia, Konya, c'est pour Rukia, Traoré, c'est pour moi. Je suis Rukia, on m'appelle Rukia. Ok? Ne comme pas quand on veut la colle, quand les madélés quand on veut la ni Rukia, on est faré de Rukia. Ne banane de mon ni couronne, ni pas de mon rabais de Rukia. N'y a pas d'Afrique ni Amérique. Donc on est un business d'ailleurs. Les anglo ni on a mon bébé. Ok? Ne ko worki Afrique be ko worki Traoré do drata ko worki Koné do drata do do ta salon te ni Afrique ni Amérique. Ne te baraka de ne ko be ko musangare ka salon. Musangare mana ni ne samu ga ni dira ne te baraka de ne ko baraka ni da ka salon ko ne baraka de jago ni da ka salon. OK? Ye salon da to ka be le no ada tuna. Pour ne de me ka partager. Salon te ne Bologna da to 2017 samba pour la ni santan ni wobla. Yo sangi sheki. J'ai fermé ces salons ça fait 8 ans. Donc on a salon mabulu ngada tuna ni photo yola hey salon babula salon d'ailleurs ma d'ailleurs ni ga salon pour les photos de yola ni c'est le je parle du passé mais quand ma passé de OK ni salon beaucoup ma formé kuma kokoro de ka salon ko they say that they kick me away from there in the Peoria. That's not true. Let me say that part in English. Hey, Peoria, Illinois. You say that you kick me away from the Peoria, Illinois. That's not true. That's not true. Even if I have money right now, when I start the job, I will go and open the business in Peoria, Illinois. That's where I used to be. I was living here for 12 years before I moved over. Nobody stopped me from going there. I'm moving here because I am not married over there. I don't have no. I get married with a mixed child. Then he doesn't want to be Muslim, he want to be Christian, and I don't want to be Christian, and I don't want to have children to become a Christian. I don't have children. Suppose I have children, I don't want them to become a Christian. Okay? Because I'm Muslim. I was born in Muslim. Okay? I am. So, I didn't have no husband there. I don't have no family over there. Okay? But I own the business in Peoria. So, in New York here, I have my uncle, I have my brother, I have my cousin. Okay? So that's why I live in the biggest city in New York in here. What is the less stress? Okay? Because sometimes if we move over there and people had a lot of competition around me because they were competing me when I had a business. Okay? They will send people to gun shoot my business. Police know that in Peoria, Illinois, that's what I'm saying that, but ils vont envoyer les gens pour tirer mon business avec les pistolets. They know that. How many times they have a gunshot in my African hair salon because when everybody left, when people left and go home, then they will come every day. In the morning, you will see all the windows are breaking. The police will come and inspect it and report it, and they will fix it. The building owner will fix the window. So when I get tired of this competition, then I close my shop. I come here. You say you kick me away. You say you kick me away because I was homosexual. You kick me away because I was a prostitute. That's not true. You the motherfucking liar. Because they're blocking me in the court. So when the court is finished, if I work and save money, I'm gonna go in the same town, in the same state, and it'll open. I wanna see if you kick me away. That's why, because I don't believe in that. All right. All right. You the liar. Because none of you female over there in the whole entire war in the including US and the Peoria, nobody that I have. I'm a female, born a female. I'm not a transgender. I did not fuck you. All right. And you say I'm a homosexual. What is going on? You need to stop your bullying game. That been going. No, when they see me, oh, not this one, not this one. Don't give to this one. So what is the point of that? When they see me, hey, this one, not this one. So why you saying that? Motherfucker, I'm a well reasoned than you. I am not a motherfucking homosexual. I'm not a transgender. I was born female. Never fucked a female before. You've been saying that for a long time. I am Urukia. Two people call me Urukia. I closed my business because the people, they have a lot of competition of me. It was a 4 different hair salon over there. When I went there, I was the third one, and the rest, one of them, in the one town, and it's a 250,000 black women and 150 black men. Okay? Alhamdulillah, I used to braid I work every week. The shop is open every day except the Friday. My hair salon was closed Friday from the morning to 3 p.m. Okay? But it's open. But everybody has a day off. Okay? Everybody has a different day off. Mon salon était ouvert tous les jours, mais vendredi, ça s'ouvrait à 3h du soir. Après Juma. Après Juma, ça s'ouvrait à 3h du soir. Et puis, tous les gens qui travaillent dans mon salon, chacun a son jour de repos. 2 jours de repos, 1 jour de repos. Donc ils vont dire que le salon est ouvert tous les jours, tu fais travailler les gens. Que je dois les gens, que je n'ai pas payé, je ne dois personne. I don't know. Whoever my employee was American, majority of them was American. Who went to the cosmetology school? I never went to the cosmetology school. I said my employee went to cosmetology school. De l'école de tresse. Moi, je n'ai jamais été à l'école de tresse. Ok? Voilà. La fois dernière, quand je dis à ce qu'elle s'est tournée, que je dis que je suis à l'école de cosmetology. That's not true. I went to regular high school, comprehensive high school, and a TCI college and CUNY University. Okay? My employee went to cosmetology school. I never went to cosmetology. I studied health information technology and medical biology. Medical biology. Pour devenir médecin. Mais je n'ai pas fini d'étudier. Je n'ai pas étudié des salons de coiffure, jamais. Je suis allée à l'école de régulière. Quand tu dis ça là maintenant, là, tu mens comme ça. Toujours que je vais aller déposer mon diplôme, ils vont dire que j'ai acheté des faux diplômes. Ok? The day that I will go put my resume somewhere, they will say that I am a cosmetology student is not eligible for that. That's not true. I did not went to cosmetology school. I went to regular school for the health information technology and medical biology. That's what I studied. I say some of my employees, they double measure. They went to the cosmetology school, and some of them went to university after that. Ok? Because c'est un métier. Ils ont fait un métier, après ils ont continué leurs études. Et même eux, ils ont des grands diplômes. Oui. Ok? C'est des Américains. They know that what I'm talking about. Kyra and Kayla and Tyler and Paris is the four of them. Alright? They're American born in the United States in Peoria, Illinois. Okay. They used to be my employee. And Fatou Jeng and Fatoumata Sissoko and Maimoune Loum and two Sierra Leone girl and two Rwanda's girl and one Zimbabwe girl. Okay? They're African, just like me. They're all in school. They all used to be in school. They're not young. Okay? These people, they're same age with me, but Paris and Kayla and Taylor, they're only 3 years younger. The rest of them, some of them are age of Fatou Jeng is older than me, Maimoune Loum is older than me. Maimoune Loum used to live in the South Carolina. Okay? I never lived in the South Carolina. She moved in Peoria, Illinois. Then she came to work for me. Before her husband was working in Caterpillar in Peoria, Illinois. So that's why they're moving there. Caterpillar is like a World Trade Center in New York City. So before she could find it, they do the warehousing job over there, they do the engineer, they do too many things, administration work, a lot of kind of job. Okay, in Peoria. Okay, that's the economy standing there. That's where I become this. I obtained my citizen naturalization when I was living, but I went to interview in Chicago. Okay, because Peoria is a small town in Illinois. Chicago is a capital economic, and Springfield is a capital political, and Washington D.C. is the whole entire U.S. capital. All right. But I started my documentation here in 2001 at New Jersey. Okay. In 2003 again New Jersey, and 2005 in a Federal Plaza when they approved my documentation at Federal Plaza, Manhattan, New York. When they give me the working paper in 2005 and approval letter. In 2006 I applied for my green card. In 2008 they give my green card. In 2017 I became naturalization at Chicago when I was living in Peoria. Alright? Fatou Poli will bring her Fatou Poli say that her husband Frances sponsor me. That's not what I don't know. When I come to you, you tell me to come to your home. That's where I can see your husband and Stephanie in your home. I am African, born and raised in Bamako, Mali. I'm not from Guinea. I'm from Bamako, Mali, born and raised in Bamako, Mali, hospital of Gabriel Touré. Ok? Voilà. J'ai double nationalité. Afrique, là, je suis nationality of Africa. That's my birth certificate. I was born in Africa. In here, I obtained the second nationality in the United States. Both of them is a value. Tous les deux sont valables. Je suis naissance d'Africaine du Mali, Bamako. Et j'ai obtenu américaine citoyenne. Tous les deux, ça fonctionne. Voilà. Papier flabe baraka Afrique ne wolola ene ne ma papier ni ni so ba ene. Nga wolo se bene. Woyan wolo dugu mo dugu de tonso ni para dugu de Bamako mala. Amérique kono ya Mauritanie américain mi bembolo. La fois dernière, j'ai demandé le gars qui s'appelle Oumar. Il est mauritanien de Nouakchott. Il n'y a pas de Mauritanie dans tout le monde entier. Mauritanie, c'est une. C'était ajouté des. C'est quand on dit que hey, abi kono koni ni taille que l'enya. Obe Mauritanie me mala, Mauritanie te mala. Tombouctou ni Djene, Mali koro fa jamana yo de ko Djene ni Tombouctou. Djene ani Tombouctou ani Mauritanie que le der. Est-ce ya combien? Tuareg Touré Maroc. Ya famia. Al Tuareg Tunisie ni Algérie ni Somalie ni Soudan du Nord ni Soudan du Sud là. Tuareg ti Maldorno. Ya mea. Voilà. Tuareg te dore arabu mun mélangera. Mo arabu mun mélangera mo werla ou fanya fa fait. Ou kera métissé. Donc mais toujours u jɛlen don o k'e yɛrɛ ɲɛmɔgɔ o jɛlen don k'u sigi u ka jan o kuma o de ye tuareg a banna u tɛ arabu ye tuguni u tɛna kɛ farafin fɛnɛ ye ok a bɛ fɔ o ma ko a bɛ i n'a fɔ éthiopiens bɛ cogo min na bɛ différence dɔ bɛ a fɔ éthiopiens b'a fɔ min ma ko abasha i n'a fɔ bilali mun tun bɛ Éthiopie olu ka mɔgɔ ninnu ok arabu métissés okay, that's the Tuareg. It's some Arabic mixed with some black, light black skin, so they never become black. They never become very dark. They never become Arabic again, so they call them Tuareg. Okay. Mauritanie, Mauritanie c'est une, ce n'est pas des Mauritanie. Mauritanie c'est une, c'est la Guinée qui est différente. Guinée différente. Guinée-Bissau, Guinée équatoriale, New Guinea. Sénégal c'est une toute Afrique. Mauritanie, c'est une toute Afrique, le Mali et Somalie. C'est ressemble, mais ce n'est pas la même. Il y a Mali et puis il y a Somalie. Ok? La Côte d'Ivoire, c'est une. Gambia, c'est une. Nigeria et Niger. C'est ressemble, mais ce n'est pas la même. Ghana, c'est une. Et Ghana, et en Afrique, c'est une. Mais Guyana, dans l'Amérique du Sud, Guyana, c'est Amérique du Sud ici. Ok? Ghana, c'est Afrique. Guyana, c'est Amérique du Sud. C'est dans le continent américain. Ghana, c'est en Afrique, le continent africain. Côte d'Ivoire, c'est continent africain. Même le Mali et Mauritanie, c'est continent africain. Je suis africaine 100%. Mauritanie ne se trouve pas en Amérique ici. Quand je dis que c'est Mauritanie, c'est Jamaïcain, c'est carré. Hey, Mauritania doesn't located in a Caribbean island leader in United States in Africa, the continent of Africa. Voilà. Afrique de l'Ouest. Mauritanie is a West Africa, just like Senegal and Mali. Is between Senegal and Mali. Ok? C'est entre le Sénégal et le Mali, la Mauritanie. Voilà. La capitale, c'est Nouakchott, mais je suis naissance du Mali pour ok? Voilà. Quand on dit que je ne suis pas assaillie, je suis nationalité américaine. Ok? Voilà. Ok. Assaillie, ça veut dire que quelqu'un qui est quitté de l'Afrique pour aller se présenter à l'immigration pour donner les papiers. Ok? Et quand on te donne, donc, alhamdoulilah, tu vas dire que tu es assailli. Ça ne veut pas